Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson, we are going to be learning how to use a comma after a fronted adverbial. This is a level 4 skill. We are going to begin by thinking about what commas are. Commas are a type of punctuation mark that are used in sentences to separate out information to make it easier to read. We are now going to think about what fronted adverbials are. A fronted adverbial is when the adverbial word or phrase is moved to the front of a sentence. Fronted adverbials should be followed by a comma. Let's take a look at some examples. In the first sentence, before dinner I went for a bike ride, the fronted adverbial is before dinner. It tells us when I went for a bike ride. Before dinner should be followed by a comma to separate the fronted adverbial from the rest of the sentence. Here is another example. Courageously, the knight rode into battle. In this sentence, the fronted adverbial is courageously, and it tells us how the knight rode into battle. Courageously should be followed by a comma, so that it is separated from the rest of the sentence. Here is a sentence where the comma is missing after the fronted adverbial. Last night I went to the skate park. What is the fronted adverbial in this sentence, and where should the comma go? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? Let's take a look. The fronted adverbial is last night, and it describes when I went to the skate park, so the comma needs to go after the fronted adverbial last night. Here is another sentence where the comma after the fronted adverbial is missing. Excitedly I opened my birthday presents. What is the fronted adverbial, and where should the comma go? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? Let's take a look. Excitedly is the fronted adverbial which describes how I open my birthday presents, so the comma goes after the word excitedly to separate the fronted adverbial from the rest of the sentence. Here is a summary of the learning in this lesson. A fronted adverbial is when the adverbial word or phrase is moved to the front of the sentence. Fronted adverbials are followed by a comma.